Hey guys, welcome back to SHK Excel World. I'm Salim Heather and I'm back with another series of Excel for you guys. So this time we will be talking about the conditional formatting in Excel starting from the very beginning. So if you are new to Excel and haven't used the conditional formatting tool, so you can start right away from this very video. But first, do not forget to subscribe to SHK Excel World and also click the bell icon so that you get all of the series notifications right away. So this is the file we are using today. You can download it from the link given below in the description. And let us start right away. The foremost thing, whenever you are consolidating a data, is to ensure that your data does not have any duplicates. So this is my summary sheet. Maybe I am preparing the payroll for different months or a summary of payrolls for different months of the year. So I should ensure that one employee is not repeated at all. So I'm going to select all of this list and let us go to the home screen. Let me double click it so that it's up there all the time. And then go to the conditional formatting and go to highlight rules. And here is your duplicate values rule and click it. And most of the people only know that it only highlights the duplicate values. But wait a minute. We have two options here. We have the duplicate values as well, and we also have the unique values. So if you click on the unique values, you will get all of the unique values highlighted in your list. But for the moment, we want to ensure that the duplicate items are highlighted. So we are going to select this. You can change the formatting if you want to, and click OK. So here are the items which have come more than once. Not only twice, but if it is 3 times, 4 times or more than that. So if it has come more than once, it is highlighted. So this is a very basic conditional formatting, but it is very useful. So let us go to the next exercise, which is question number 2. So we have the revenue of different products for a specific period of time. So let us select all of this list of revenues of different products. Go to home screen, then conditional formatting and highlight rules. No, we're going to select a specific data bar. Let us select one color, which is solid color, and that's it. So what this data bar does is it picks up the highest value in your list, fills it completely, and with respect to its percentage, it is going to fill in all of the remaining items. So the 32,200 is the maximum value in my list, and this may be around 75 to 80% of this 32,000. So it is filled up to that mark and so on. But sometimes we just want to have it filled as per our liking, not with respect to a specific value within the list, because that is not our criteria or the baseline. So we are going to select this complete list again. We are going to go to the conditional formatting and click on the manage rules. So here, whatever the conditional formatting has been applied to your data is shown and we can modify it. So double click on it or click on it and then click the edit rules button. So here it tells as to what and how the conditional formatting has been applied to your data. So it's automatic and it's based on percentage. We want to convert it to a number. So do it for the both of the ranges, minimum and maximum. So minimum is 0. We know that we do not have any negative value in our list. For the maximum, let us assume that its maximum value is 32,000 and we can have 100,000 as a hypothetical maximum value. We can see from our experience that 100,000 is the maximum revenue we have generated in last, let's say, 5 years. So 100,000 is the maximum value and click OK and apply and OK. So here we can see that our bar has been rearranged with respect to the new baseline or the new threshold, which is 100,000. So this filling percentage is the percentage of the 100,000. So we have achieved two things here. One is that our bars are not overlapping our numbers. So these are seen separately. So we can even use a darker color here. Secondly, the bars are showing a proportion of the total value we have mentioned in the conditional formatting tool, which is 100,000. So this is a percentage of 100,000 and not of the 32,000, which was the maximum value in our list. So let us try another thing. Select this complete list again, go to conditional formatting, again go to data bar, select any other color, and again go to conditional formatting and click manage rules. Double click on the conditional formatting and show data bars only. I don't know if you have already tried this or not, but it's an old tool available. So you can have the numbers in another column and just link it just like equal to and produce it onto another cell and then apply your data bars. So in this way you can have the conditional formatting and the numbers in two different columns. So let us move to another exercise. So here we can see that we have a list of invoices. We have the employees who have the duty to follow up with all of these invoices. But the funny thing is that we do not have the invoice number, we do not have the supplier to whom we have to contact, we do not have the contact number. This is just a hypothetical data just to tell you. But very frankly, yes, it is incomplete. So let us assume that the supplier name, the contact number and the invoices number are there for follow-up. So we have those things here, imagining, and we have the due date and we have the employees who have to follow up with these invoices. So whenever I open this sheet, I want it to automatically highlight all of those invoices which are going to be due on that date. So for example, today is 6th November and we can see that there are certain invoices whose due date is 6th November. So these should have been highlighted automatically. So for that we have the conditional formatting. We are going to select this complete list of dates. Then again go to conditional formatting, highlight rules, and we have a date occurring. Click on it and tomorrow or today or yesterday. So we are going to click today and just select the color you want to and press OK. So this has been highlighted, and tomorrow if I am going to open this sheet again, the 6th November invoices will not be highlighted. Only the 7th November invoices will be highlighted. So that's very interesting. So it automatically will be updated on every given date based on the date of your system or computer. Let us fall back to our previous exercise, and here we have the quantity sold. So sometimes the quantity is something of concern because you have to hold a particular stock in your warehouse and there is a cost to it. So we want to know as to which products are selling at a fast pace, means that their quantity sold is higher, and which are the products whose quantity sold is too much low and maybe we want to withdraw our investment from those particular products. So select all of these quantity list and then go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, and then click top 10 items. So we can have top 3 because top 10 is too much for this small list. And here is our top 10 and we can have it a green color because these are good items which are selling at fast pace. And press OK. And then again go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, bottom 10 items. Again select any of the 3. And these are red flags. So let's assume that this sheet is a summary coming from a detailed sales sheet. So this will be updated regularly. So if your number changes, the conditional formatting will automatically update the data. So you do not have to apply this again and again. So let us see if I change any of the items to say 3. So this is your lowest item now, and some other item has been replaced with this one. So this was product 19 previously, and now it is product 3, which is lowest performing. So this will be updated regularly.